third tutorial from Engine in JavaScript category. Today we are going to learn about array and object. What is an array? How to use? When to use? What is an object? Object is a data type. Object having key value pair. Object can consist of different type of property. Meaning, if you are going to store some set of data, it should have the preferred names, like you are going to store the students details. So in that case you will have the set of data like name of the student, age of the student, contact details of the student. So in that case your value should have the labeled item. So here you can declare an object called student. In that object you can prefer the key as name, you can specify the name. Age, you can specify the age. Contact detail, you can specify the contact details. So this single set of object will denote what is the details of students. Here the name, age, those and all the key. Also here you are storing the name, it is a string. Also age, that is a numeric. So this different kind of values you can store it like that. In upcoming slides we will have the samples over there. Next, what is an array? Array is a data type. Array can have collections of elements. Array can have variant type of values in JavaScript. For example, I am giving the values 1 to 10. I am telling you to store those values. So in the case, considering the previous data type and previous what we learn items, so you will declare 10 variable and assign those values in 10 different variable. Consider this array. If you are going with this array for this case, you will declare only one variable. It will have the set of 10 values. I hope you understand. Next, how or when to use object. First, we will check how to use object. Object should be key value pair. We already know. We should not use the same key on single object. For example, you already having the key called a name in one object. Again, if you are trying to create the same key, it will get override. It won't accept. Third, we can specify the object like curly braces. Object are in JavaScript defined by the curly braces. Okay. When we can go with the object? When we having the same group of item. For example, I previously told about the student detail. That is the one best example for here. The second, when we having the key value needs. When you having the value that should be binded with one name, so you can go those criteria also. Example, to store the employee details here. Next, how or when to use array. First, how. Array preferably can have same type of elements. As I told, I am giving the 10 numeric number, you are going to use that. It will accept variety of type on its correction. It meaning, for example, you can in array you can store the numeric. Also second index you can store as a one string. Third index you can store boolean. But preferably you can go with the same type of values in array. The third, it can have duplicate of values. In array you can store multiple values even though if it is a duplicate also. It is index based starting from 0. Yeah, if I am giving the 10 elements I am giving to you, you are going to store it. It is starting always starting from the 0 to 9. Okay, to 9 in the sense I am giving the 10 elements, so I told it is depends upon the ending may vary. It denoted as a square brackets. Okay, when we can go with the array? When we having the need to play with more than one data. Example, need to have values of 1 to 10. I hope you got an idea. Let's we have a examples over there. I am explaining this what we already shown. For example, I am declaring a variable called OPG. I am defining as a curly braces. So meaning it is an object. If you are check this type of OPG, it will give it is an object. Okay. Now I am going to add object dot name equal to engine. So now this object having key as name and value as engine. So like the way we can able to append. We can have a add the name like this also. For example, previously I added the name with the dot notation. Right now I am adding with the uh, square brackets. Here I am specifying age 29. So if I check the object, I am getting the two property called name and age. Let's try to add the duplicate over there. I am adding the same age and specifying the 30. Now if you are checking this object, you will have it got override. Okay, I hope you are clear. So you can get the values using the dot notation, or you can have like a square bracket also. For example, I am adding capital NA, but I am in object I am having small n name. So if I trying to access, it won't come because the properties, I mean the property and key is same in object. The property and the getting the value should be case sensitive. I hope you are clear. Let me move on to the array. I am declaring a variable called arr. I am specifying as a square bracket. So this is a array. In JavaScript, array is a type of object only. Okay, I am trying to add the value. I am using the push over here 1. So now the array having the value of 1. You can check the length also, array length 1. Again I am adding one more value 2. Now the array having 1 comma 2. So I can able to get the values using index. Okay, if I specify index of 1, what will happen if I am specifying the index of 5? It is undefined because the array having only 2 elements as of now. Okay, I am trying to add one string over here. Okay, till now this array having only numeric. Right now I am adding the string also. So now the array will have this. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, thank you. Let's we meet on in next tutorial. If you have any doubts, please put your comments in this command window. Thank you.